Pepsi is one of the most well-known beverages in the world. The combination of that sweet and delicious flavor, accompanied by its fizz, makes it irresistible to many, and it's easy to see why people might become addicted to its taste. Perhaps, as you're watching this video, you're craving a Pepsi. The company has always kept its formula and production process a strict secret. But what might be hidden behind the factory doors? What is the real formula of this refreshing and delicious drink? Could it be true that Pepsi copied Coca Cola? Well, stay tuned to this video, because today we'll take you inside a Pepsi factory and reveal, from start to finish, the entire production process for each can of this famous beverage. And who knows, after discovering what goes on behind the scenes, you might decide to stop drinking it. So get comfortable and let's begin. Pepsi was created in 1893 by Caleb Bradham, a pharmacist from North Carolina. Originally called Brad's Drink, it was conceived as a refreshing tonic to help with digestive issues. Bradham combined carbonated water, sugar, vanilla, various types of oils, and cola nut in his pharmacy, creating a beverage that quickly gained popularity. In 1898, he decided to change the name to Pepsi Cola, which referred to two of its ingredients: pepsin, a digestive enzyme, though the drink never actually contained it, and cola nut. Bradham began bottling and selling his beverage through small franchises, which helped spread its popularity. But is Pepsi a copy of Coca Cola? Let's take a look. Coca Cola was created in 1886 by John Pemberton, another pharmacist in Atlanta, with the idea of combining Coca and cola in a stimulating drink. Both beverages emerged from the same late 19th century trend, where pharmacists were experimenting with tonics and refreshing drinks. Pepsi and Coca-Cola shared the inclusion of cola nut in their recipes, but each developed its own unique formula and flavor profile. The rivalry between Pepsi and Coca-Cola began in earnest when Pepsi reformulated its drink in the 1930s, adopting an aggressive marketing strategy and offering more quantity for the same price as Coca-Cola. This tactic allowed Pepsi to gain a considerable market share. In summary, Pepsi was born out of a genuine interest in creating a refreshing and digestive beverage. Although it was developed during a similar time as Coca-Cola, it cannot be said that Pepsi was a direct copy, but rather part of a broader movement of innovation in carbonated beverages of that era. Now that you know how one of the most famous drinks in the world was created, join me inside the factory and let's take a look at its production process. Step 1. Obtaining and treating the water. Water is the most important ingredient in Pepsi. It is sourced from protected underground sources. This resource is carefully extracted and then goes through an advanced filtration system that removes impurities and enhances its quality. The plant uses multi-stage filtration technology, which includes reverse osmosis and ultraviolet disinfection, to ensure that the water meets the high standards required for Pepsi production. The treated water makes up approximately 90 to 94% of the final beverage, highlighting its critical importance in the manufacturing process. Step 2. Carbonation of the water. The next crucial step is carbonation, where the purified water is infused with carbon dioxide. This gas not only provides the bubbles that make the drink refreshing, but also helps preserve the flavor. Carbonation is essential to the unique character of Pepsi, ensuring that each can deliver the same crisp and effervescent experience. The carbonation process takes place in large, pressurized tanks that ensure a uniform mixture and an optimal level of fizz, essential for Pepsi's characteristic taste and effervescence. Carbonation involves maintaining the beverage at a controlled pressure to ensure that the carbon dioxide dissolves properly into the liquid. Step 3. Pepsi's secret formula. Pepsi's distinctive flavor is achieved through a precise blend of carefully selected ingredients. The recipe has been a closely guarded secret by the company since its inception. But what are they hiding? Today, we're here to reveal the secret ingredients of this famous and delicious beverage. According to various scientific studies, it has been deciphered that one of the main ingredients is high fructose corn syrup, which adds sweetness to the drink and represents 9% of the total composition. This syrup is used instead of sugar in many regions due to its cost and solubility. So, depending on the country you're in, your Pepsi will be made with either sugar or corn syrup. In addition, Pepsi contains phosphoric acid, which adds a tangy touch and helps enhance the overall flavor of the drink. Caffeine is another key component of Pepsi, giving it its well-known stimulating effect. Citric acid is also included, contributing to the freshness of the beverage. Of course, Pepsi's characteristic color comes from caramel, which gives it its recognizable dark tone. The formula also includes natural flavors and antioxidants, which are part of the secret that makes Pepsi unique. These flavors are carefully blended to create the taste experience that defines the drink. Finally, preservatives are added to maintain the product's freshness during storage and transportation. Step 4. Mixing of ingredients. The concentrate is mixed with carbonated water in large stainless steel tanks. The mixing is done in a controlled environment where automated systems precisely regulate the proportions to maintain product consistency. This process ensures that each batch of Pepsi has the same flavor without unwanted variations. Sensors in the tanks constantly monitor the mixture, adjusting the proportions if necessary to ensure quality. On average, the concentrate and other ingredients make up around 6% to 10% of the final beverage. Step 5. Bottling process. Once the mixture is ready, it is transferred to the bottling line. The plastic bottles are made from preforms, small plastic pieces that are heated and blown into molds to form the bottles. This blow molding process is quick and efficient, allowing for high production with minimal material waste. The production lines can generate thousands of bottles per hour, maintaining a continuous flow and reducing downtime. Step 6. Filling, sealing, and quality control. The molded bottles are filled with Pepsi, sealed with caps, and labeled. Consistency and flavor is a priority, so at each stage of production, both employees and quality control devices monitor the process. Laboratory technicians verify that each batch contains the correct amount of all ingredients, ensuring that every bottle meets Pepsi's standards. This quality control includes sensory tests, where experts randomly sample bottles to ensure that the flavor, texture, and carbonation levels are correct. Quality control is a critical aspect of Pepsi's production. Individual batches of the product are tested in laboratories to ensure that they maintain the same flavor and quality. This process includes verifying levels of carbon dioxide, sugar content, and other important parameters. Additionally, fault detection technologies are used to scan each bottle for physical defects, ensuring that the beverage is in perfect condition before leaving the plant. Step 7. Packaging and distribution. Approved bottles are organized into cases, which are then loaded onto trucks for global distribution. The plant produces a wide variety of packaging and sizes to meet different market demands. The packaging systems are designed to maximize space efficiency and protect the product during transportation, ensuring that Pepsi reaches consumers in the best possible condition. This meticulous and highly automated approach to Pepsi's production guarantees that every bottle has the taste, freshness, and quality that consumers expect. Once the beverages reach their destination, the process is complete, allowing you to enjoy a refreshing Pepsi from anywhere in the world. As we can see, Pepsi's manufacturing is a very rigorous process in which the company performs explicit quality controls at every step of production, ensuring maximum hygiene and quality in every drink. However, this does not negate the fact that Pepsi is a product that can be harmful to health, contributing to thousands of cases of diseases, such as diabetes, obesity, and cardiovascular problems. Therefore, you should always avoid excessive consumption. Now that you know how Pepsi is made, we can't help but ask you this question. Will you continue to consume it?